my God.
The 27th of June, 2023, Orlando International Airport, Florida. Spirit Airlines passengers were denied refunds after repeated flight cancellations. The confrontation that followed resulted in felony charges and raises 4 distinct areas of law worth examining closely.
Yeah, see? Hello, don't try and delay us. We deserve this shit.
We're not going to help you if you're going to.
Ma'am, if we continue this on, what's going to happen is they'll refund your money, you'll be trespassed from the airport. We're not going to play this game where screaming at people.
Trespassing for Spirit,
listen, stop.
I can go to Frontier.
Stop. Okay, I'm done being yelled at this whole time, and so are they.
You just told me. I got it on camera.
Okay, good for you.
Yelling all day.
In a few minutes, they'll refund your money, and we'll trespass you from the airport. If that's what you want, we will do that. We are not going to play this game all night, okay? Okay? You understand this? We're not going to do the screaming all night long. So if it keeps going on, they will refund you, and we will trespass you from the airport. So, is that what you like?
It wasn't weather. What is going to happen? You guys put our lives in danger. And because you guys don't have
It's due to a security breach. Why? I will not help. I'm not going to help.
This is a public place. I just don't understand. It's public. It's public. You work for us.
Can you find somebody else that can help? Are you able to help us? I can help. Are you sure?
But what I'm saying is you guys put everybody on that flight
In danger.
for letting 4 people without, because I know when I got on that plane, I had to stand, correct?
What is the outcome you're looking for right now?
We need
Because I
something
keep hearing
to
it.
say.
I keep okay.
Because there's no way that you think that I'm going to be staying at the airport when you guys lied to us. First you're telling me that it was weather. Now you're telling me that
On that side and that side.
She doesn't know what was going on, and that's what they said.
So you were there.
Well, I can
You
hear
were
it.
there. 4 people went on that plane without whose knowledge.
If I'm talking loud, it's because my ears are plugged too.
And you guys put our
Uncontrollable?
lives
Whose
in
responsibility is
danger.
that?
You guys
No. So I'm gonna have Landside come over, and I've already told everybody. I'm like, the next people that keep doing this stuff, they're just to start trespassing people out of here or moving them out because they're like pushing on the plexiglass. I know they're upset, but they're like pushing on the plexiglass. This big guy right here is like in this lady's face like this. I'm like, we're not gonna sit here and play this game for an hour. If you guys can't control yourselves, one at a time, you'll be trespassed from the airport. That's it.
Right, and unfortunately they need to put their foot down and not.
Well, they're trying, but these people are like, I mean, they're screaming at me, telling me all kinds of crazy stuff back there too. So.
They got those little cards that just all you give them and tell them.
Oh, they canceled twice?
Yes, and they're trying to rebook them, but the only option is these people. The only flight that's going out is not tomorrow; it's the next day. So they're upset, understandably so. But the only solution that Spirit can give them is the manager saying, "We can only rebook you. We can't refund you. Can't do whatever. Like maybe you can do corporate."
This is what I understand. If a flight is canceled, they're supposed to rebook or refund. I can see.
I understand the frustration, but there's like 3 managers back there, and they're like, "Listen, all we're doing is we can rebook your flight." But people are like, "I want my money. I want this on top of that." Right? And I understand that.
Right here, he's also okay. I have to
Listen,
he doesn't. So
the counters are closed for right now. Okay, the counters are closed now. The counters are closed for now.
Oh, I'm glad they're closed now.
My man, listen. Why are we on this stuff right now?
You a whole ass liar.
Listen.
Touch me.
Listen. Everybody can't act right now.
Refund and I'll be on my way.
We're closed now for temporarily. We're
refund and I'll be on
temporarily
my way.
closed for now. They're not doing anything at the moment.
And I'll be on my way.
Bro,
Don't touch me, man.
bro, don't put your hands up.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Hey, stop.
Don't.
I got it on camera.
Don't.
I got it on
Don't.
camera. Hey.
Give me your hand.
I got it on camera.
Fucking choking me out. Choking me out. Call for help.
choking me out.
Hey, get this dude off me, man.
You just caught
Get
that
this dude
big
off
felony,
me.
boy.
Get this dude off me, man.
Now you got a place to stay tonight.
Be secure.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, no, 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 no. This is not, no, no. Oh my god. Here's my flight ticket. Oh my god.
Be secure.
Oh, fuck.
Your ticket counter is where they're on level 3 on the A side.
Go on your side.
I'm not fighting y'all.
Now you got a f***ing place to stay.
My kids is right here.
Oh, man.
Stand up. Stand up. Good.
My leg broke.
Good. I'll walk you outside.
My leg is broken. What's wrong with you guys? My leg is broken. I'ma stand up. My leg broken. Broke my leg.
Stand up.
My leg is broken. How the I'ma stand up? My leg broke. Stand up, guys.
Everybody in here started off swimming. No, that's a lie. So you a black man out here doing this? Wow. You a black man out here doing this? Whole ass lying, man. They got him? Do they got him? But y'all get off the hill. Mom, but y'all get off my husband, please. Mom, over here. Right here. What is wrong with responsibility? How you talking? You're hurting me. They can record. You record the baby. Record it. Yeah, I'm suing. No, my legs up. I'm suing. I have disability, and she choked me. My nephew got it. Put her in a chair. She choked me and she grabbed me and I screamed out of disability 5, 6, 7 times. Get off of me. I need to be out of these handcuffs. You're hurting my arms. My bones are weak.
I know. Well,
You're
stop
hurting
resisting.
me.
Quit pulling back.
Get the handcuffs off of me.
Quit pulling back.
My kids. Get them, baby. Get my kids.
Quit pulling back.
Let down. But you won't let me get my kids.
Quit pulling back.
Because you let me go for my baby. I gotta get my kids.
I know. Go get them.
I don't want to leave without my children. Let me go.
Let her go, man. My son over there.
Stop yelling.
Man, y'all gotta know record. Thank you, please. Text it to me. I have a disability. She strong-armed me. I hope y'all got that on camera. She choked me and I was over in head. Look, it's one lady right here. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Y'all had no camera. Thank you. She dragged me in the hospital.
Call the hospital. My leg is
Let you go. Record my husband too. Record me and try to jump him. Yes, y'all did. Ma'am, you strong arm me for no reason. I'm already in cuffs. Everybody get it on record. I have a disability. I asked her to let me go several times. And she won't. I told her I can't be in these cuffs. I'm going straight to the doctor. I have a lawyer. Baby, I got bread. This is the wrong way you might think I'm from the hood. Baby, I'm not. I make $250,000 more than you. And I'm a motherfucking get a lawyer on your ass. Oh, you assume. You assume that. Because you prejudiced, probably. You are. If you have to say probably, you are. I have a heart condition, too. You dragging me. I can't walk that fast. You're hurting me. And I hope you break a bone, because I'm going to sue. You ready to lose your little $50,000 job? Huh? I need there to be representation. I don't trust being in the dark road with these people.
We're from Ohio. We've spent $5,000 here in freaking 5 days.
Why should we then have to go pay for some expensive, crazy hotel in Orlando to sleep tonight? And they're saying that they can't fly us out until freaking Thursday. I saw a young lady who were freaking, she was laughing at us, and she works there. She was laughing at everybody in line.
Well, you get charged with attempted murder too.
You tried me.
You made me pass out. You choked me out.
You a liar.
You made me pass out.
You a liar. Soft ass. Protect me. You got the worst of it.
Federal Passenger Rights, DOT 14 C.F.R. Section 250. When an airline cancels a flight, federal law requires a full cash refund upon the passenger's request, not a voucher, not a rebooking. Spirit Airlines' on-site refusal to issue refunds was not a policy limitation, it was a violation of federal consumer protection regulations. Lesson passengers who accept vouchers under these circumstances are waiving a federally enforceable legal right. Disorderly conduct. Florida Statute Section 877.03. The statute prohibits conduct that materially disrupts public peace or outrages the sense of public decency in a public space. Florida courts in DG Vstate Shase Sute Shaizic, Shi Unu So Doid, Shaptezich Shichinch Fla. 3D DCA 1995 confirmed that sustained aggressive confrontation in a crowded commercial area satisfies this threshold. Lesson A. Legally valid grievance does not immunize the manner in which that grievance is expressed. Protected frustration can become a criminal act in seconds. Use of force standard. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386-1989. Reasonableness of force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with hindsight. 3 factors apply here: active physical resistance, a confined and crowded public space, and an agitated surrounding crowd. Each factor independently supports escalation on the force continuum. Deploying multiple officers to restrain one resisting subject is a force reduction strategy, not an escalation. No less lethal options were deployed, a fact favorable to the officers under any Graham analysis. Custodial medical duty, Estelle versus Gamble, 429 U.S., 971-976. When a person in custody makes repeated and consistent claims of injury, officers incur a constitutional duty of care under the 8th Amendment. Deliberate indifference to a serious medical need constitutes a constitutional violation. Issuing commands to stand to a subject claiming a broken leg without any medical assessment is legally insufficient. Lesson: transporting the subject to an evaluation center, as officers did here, is the correct and legally required response. First Amendment limits. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S., 4511987. Verbal criticism of law enforcement, including profanity, racial accusations, and allegations of misconduct, is protected expression under the First Amendment. Officers cannot lawfully arrest a person solely for these statements. The constitutional line is crossed at physical interference, not verbal protest. Lesson: you may verbally challenge an unlawful arrest. You may not physically resist one. Escalating criminal exposure. Florida Statutes, sections 843.02 and 843.01. Physically inserting oneself into an active lawful arrest is obstruction without violence. A first-degree misdemeanor. The moment that obstruction becomes physical force, it elevates to resisting with violence, a third-degree felony, carrying up to 5 years imprisonment. Battery on a law enforcement officer under section 784.07 adds a separate third-degree felony count. Lesson: each act of physical resistance during an arrest is a distinct criminal charge. They stack. Charging decisions and civil liability, 42 U.S.C., section 1983. The initial attempted murder charge was later dropped by prosecutors. This correction is significant. An overreaching charge may support a malicious prosecution claim under section 1983 if plaintiffs can show the charge lacked probable cause and was filed with improper motive. For an excessive force claim under section 1983 to succeed, plaintiffs must prove force was objectively unreasonable under Graham versus Connor, a difficult standard to meet where sustained physical resistance is on camera. Key takeaways. 1. Federal law grants you the right to a cash refund on a canceled flight. Assert it in writing. Do not accept a voucher under pressure. 2. Verbal protest of police conduct is constitutionally protected. Physical resistance is not, and each act of resistance is a separate charge. 3. Medical claims during custody trigger officer obligations under Estelle. Document them clearly and immediately. 4. Overreaching charges can become the basis of a civil rights claim under Section 1983, even when other charges stand.